Hey foodies, today I'm showing you how to make strawberry shortcake in just 5 easy steps. Ready to make something delicious? Let's get started. First, the ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 1/2 cup of cold butter, 1/2 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of heavy cream, and of course, fresh strawberries. Step 1, preheat your oven to 425 degrees and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Super easy. Step 2, in a bowl, mix the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Cut in the cold butter until the mixture looks like coarse crumbs. Step 3, stir in the milk and vanilla extract until just combined. Drop spoonfuls of the dough onto the baking sheet and bake for 12-15 minutes or until golden brown. Step 4, while the shortcakes are baking, whip the heavy cream until stiff peaks form. Slice up your strawberries. Step 5, once the shortcakes are cool, slice them in half. Layer with whipped cream and strawberries. Top with the other half of the shortcake, more whipped cream and strawberries. Yum! And that's it. Your strawberry shortcake is ready to enjoy. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious ideas. Happy baking!